Good day, ma'am. My name is Christian Raffles. Section is for air, subject in Geek 6. And this is my artwork. And it's called Optical Illusion Art. So, I choose this art because it has always fascinated me because its ability to challenge perception and evoke curiosity. And for this piece or artwork, I use pencil, scissors, glue, paper, and printed pictures to show how to reveal the illusion. And I choose this illusion art because it represents the way I see creativity, not just a means of expression, but as a ways to make people questions and explore beyond what is visible. It reflects my artistic identity because I enjoy pushing boundaries, experimenting with perception, and making viewers see things in a new light or in a different perspective. My work embodies my curiosity, attention to detail, and passion for blending imagination with reality. And so I choose optical illusion art.